official ko, collect din yata kasi yung government eh. Hindi ko collect eh. Basta meron din.
Kasi nagtanong yung ka-office mate ko, saan yung sa mga anak mo, be? Si Justin. Si Tijing. Sabi ko, wala kasi may insurance na sila.
Dapat inulan mo pala sa Yuna.
Oo nga, si Yuna na lang sana yung mabilis.
Ilan ba yung free mo?
Isa lang.
Ayaw na rin.
Ha?
Okay na. Meron naman kay Yuna.
Kaya nga, kasi kaya hindi pa naano si Sebastian kasi may hereditary etos, di ba? Oh, kaya marami pang mini-require na proof.
Yung ano yung kay Yuna, i-declare mo na sa may health card na para ma-enroll si Sebastian.
So, si Sebastian yung dalawa? Bakit si Sebastian yung dalawa, hindi si Achi?
Ikaw, depende. Basta sa akin mo yung Sebastian sa support.
Okay. You need more insurance, baby?
Why?
Because you always sick? Yes? Now you can go to the hospital with we don't need money to go to the hospital. You can have a checkup with no need for money.
Wait, is it forever?
Thank you to Dada. Dada give it to you.
Thank you, Dada. But is it forever?
No, and as long as Dada is still working. I have one too.
You have one too because you're also sick.
Because I'm already working too. That's why Mama wants to work. Now Mama can have a checkup for her tummy, yes?
Yes, Mama. And you bought yourself the insurance?
No, it's free for work. Now
No,
Mommy
you-
can have a checkup for my tummy. Remember, Mommy always get out touch on the tum-tum.
Yes, and it's growing.
Now I can have a checkup.
When?
And it's free.
Yay.
Yay!
When?
But it's holiday already because it's December, so next year. You join me, okay?
Okay. Are they going to put an X-ray?
And ultrasound.
Ultrasound? What is ultrasound? Does it make your tummy do ultrasound and it goes like...
No. Ultrasound is like a video or a camera.
Oh, I thought it's like making everything so loud.
No.
Just video tummy?
So they can see what's inside.
I'm playing a game and I'm only 30% and I'm already on stage 115, but it's only 14%. Means there's a lot. Look how many I did. Oreo. Oreo.
Yung sarap na ito yun.
May daming tissue laman ako.
Pinakuha sa team nyo.
Ano, microwave oven. Kasi
Oo.
Kuya Joel. Microwave oven ako. Ano. Kami ni Mami, air fryer lang. O, TV. Mga dami nakakuha ng mga taga-inbound. Kunti lang kami, yun lang pala kami lahat. Na Viking Cloud kagabi, yun nandun sa floor. May kasama pa kami cloud staff yun. Ulit lang namin dad, pero 200 lang niya, 200. 150 lang. Tapos may GC kami dad, 500. Nakalimutan ko sa raffle ko.
GC ng...
GC, SM. Kabenta ko na lang yung butiya. Para po 500 na lang na cash. No? Hindi mo tayo nagapunta ng SM, tapos 500 lang. Diba? Buti sana akong mga 2,000. No? Tapos sa lakad ko, nakalimutan ko. Pero nabenta ko yung ATM.
See, his name is Red. Yeah, he's okay. Who are you? Are you? Who is that guy?
It's a superpower house.
No, what's your name?
Van.
Van? You're a Van?
Hindi mo tinatapon yung mga karton dyan. Basura rin yun eh.
Kasi, sakit kaya pala masakit, Dad. Malabas na naman yun.
Oh, dapat mo bili. Kala ko yan yung dapat bibili mo. Inuuna mo yung makeup. Maiba.
Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Nakalimutan ko nga. Sa palengke ko lang ito binibili kasi.